we got Celeste and we're at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna do the Dollar Tree full face makeup challenge. So let's head in there. I'm gonna get light one and medium one so that I can mix them together, because I tried the medium and this one was already open, so like I tested it on my face and it's kind of dark, so like I'm gonna mix it with the light one. And then I found this burgundy lip color and I'm gonna try to do like a dark look. And then for my eyebrows, there's this Wet n Wild pencil. It's really long actually, it's huge. And then I'm gonna get this liquid highlighter for my highlight. And then I think I'm gonna just get any mascara, which is this Wet n Wild one. I'm gonna use LA Colors contour palette. And I'm also gonna get the eyeliner. Okay, so we just finished at the Dollar Tree. I spent $10.55, so I got 10 items. No, actually, I got 9 items. Hi guys, I'm back at home and now I'm gonna use all the products that I bought. There's some items that I already do have from the Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna use those just so I didn't have to buy them again. And I'm gonna be using my own brushes. Right now because there was no primer at the Dollar Tree, I use my own primer and my own moisturizer before I do this makeup. And I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows with the Wet n Wild pencil that I got. And I don't really use a pencil when I do my eyebrows, but I thought this would be the easiest. I think I'm gonna like it. I did it a little too hard. Oh my god. I don't know how to use a pencil. I guess I gotta be a little more lighter. Holy fuck. I'm gonna have some bold ass eyebrows. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use my spoolie from my eyebrow brush. Hopefully the next brow will turn out better. Can you see this? What the fuck? I just gotta blend it out, I guess. Yeah, I think that helped. Now this eyebrow, this one's gonna come out good. Now I learned. Okay, my eyebrows do not look cute, so hopefully I can clean them up. And there was no concealer at the Dollar Tree, so I got the medium one and light one, so I think I'll just use the light one for concealer. So I'm using my own brushes. Okay, I'm saving my brows. So I finished my eyebrows. They took way too long for me to record, but I finished them with the pencil and with the foundation, the light foundation. They look way better than they did before I concealed them. So next I'm gonna just put the same foundation on my eyelids for a base for the eyeshadow I'm gonna use. Okay, and because I forgot to get an eyeshadow palette at the Dollar Tree and I went to the Family Dollar and I just picked up this palette. It was $1.50, so it's the same thing. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna use like a light brown color. Now I'm gonna use the dark brown color and I'm just gonna put it in the end of my eye. And on top of where I put that light brown. And then I'm gonna use the black color in the palette And I'm gonna put this more on the ends of my eye. Oh shit. I don't know if that's gonna blend. Yeah, it's not really blending. Oh my god, whatever. Okay, now it's starting to blend. This side I put a lot, so... Okay, and then with the light foundation that I used, I'm gonna cut my crease. It's really thin, so I gotta keep adding more layers. And this is what I already did have from the Dollar Tree. It's a shimmer shadow, but I threw the brush away, so I'm gonna use the little brush that came in the eyeshadow palette to pack on the shimmer on top of the foundation. So this actually does get everywhere. You can't really see on the camera, but it's like really shimmery. So I'm packing on the shimmer onto this other eye, and it like looks like it's all over the place, but I'm gonna just wipe off whatever comes off with this Q-tip, just because like the shimmer gets everywhere. And now I'm gonna go back in with the palette, and I'm gonna use the dark colors, well, the dark brown, and I still have the black on the brush from before, and I'm just gonna blend out this white shimmer with the brown and the black. And now I'm gonna try to put like the brown on top. I think I'm done with the shimmer, but it literally gets everywhere. It's everywhere. And now I'm gonna try to add more brown and black, more black, to blend this silver with, because I don't want a shimmery brown. Yeah, the black's starting to work. Now I'm gonna use the LA Color eyeliner. Okay, so I finished the wings, and I'm gonna use the mascara that I got, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. So the mascara is like really thin, like it doesn't really do anything for your length of your eyelashes. Okay, so I put the lashes on. I'm gonna use the foundation medium 1, and that's really dark. So I'm gonna mix it with the one I've been using, which is light 1. That one's really light. And it's starting to mix into my color. I'm gonna do the concealer, which is gonna be the light foundation, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. The Dollar Tree that I went to, it actually didn't have a lot of things, and the eyeshadow actually doesn't look that bad. It's starting to look okay. And now for the contour, I got this contour palette, and I'm just gonna put this on top of all the foundation that I did. I got the medium shade palette, so like hopefully it shows up. So with the brown, it actually is showing up. I'm just packing a lot onto the brush because I want it to look like intense bronzer. So I'm using this like bronzer because it's powder. And then I'm gonna put it on my forehead, and then onto my nose. I'm not gonna do a lot of contour for my nose. I'm just gonna use this big brush. I have this liquid shimmer drops, and this is like highlighter. So I'm gonna put this on my cheekbones, and I picked the pink shade. So I'm gonna dab it onto my cheeks and blend it out with the Beauty Blender. I don't know if you could really see it. Yeah, if you layer on a lot, you could kind of see it. That it's like shiny, but you can't like see that it's pink. Because I didn't see a setting powder at the Dollar Tree, I'm just gonna use my Airspun powder. And I'm gonna set my face. There's already creasing under my eyes from the foundation. So I'm gonna push the powder into it and then sharpen up my contour. And I'm gonna set all my face. And then for my nose, because I put like a little bit of that contour powder, I'm just gonna try to clean up the contour. Okay, so I put the setting powder all over my face and I'm just gonna let it bake. So you can't really see that they, never mind, yeah you can. I was gonna say you couldn't see that it was creasing, but it was because I did take a while to put on the powder. And you can see that it's like, it looks sharp. Now I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on bottom of my eyes and I'll use the same brush. Now I'm gonna use the light brown shade that I started with. And I'm gonna put this all under my eyes. And now I'm gonna use the dark brown. And I'm not gonna use the black for under my eye. I'm just gonna use the light brown and the dark brown. I'm gonna put the mascara on the bottom of my lashes. And then the last thing that I bought was the e.l.f. lip color, and this is in the color maroon. So I'm gonna put this on my lips, and it smells weird. It smells like Play-Doh or something. Okay, so I put the lip color on and I layered it so that it looks darker. It smells weird and it feels like oily on your lips, but this is how the makeup turned out. And now I'm just gonna talk about like the products. I honestly don't think it looks bad. Like the lip color is cute. I just don't like how it feels. It's glossy and stuff. It's cute. I like it, but I just don't like how it feels. And then like the eyeshadow, I don't think it came out too bad. It was just the shimmer was everywhere. The eyebrows, they looked way better after I cleaned them up. But at first, like it took me a while to get used to the pencil, because I really did think I was gonna like the pencil. And the foundation, it honestly looks really good. The contour, I feel like if I had a darker color in the palette of that little contour thing, that it would have looked better. It's like that you could have seen the contour more. But other than that, I think that the look came out decent. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see me post more videos, then leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.